spoke about this weird behavior of gangstalkers in my previous video. The weird ways gangstalkers deceive themselves. And as seen here, a gangstalker is being obviously gangstalkerish and borderline creepy. Like what in the world is he doing? Every time I came across him, he just starts whistling like, "Are you okay? What is your problem?" Like, not even acting normal. Like, who in the world just goes around the store whistling? Is it normal? It's not normal. And the first clip is just so obvious. I'm already walking away. He's already trying to, like, what? These people need to wake up. They're up here deceiving their own self, out here acting crazy.